This is a very special piece now loading in 5, 4, 3, 2, boom. Welcome, my friends. This is the Feel Good Pouring Station. My name is Garrett Brown, and I hope you are doing well on this beautiful day. This piece is super special. I channeled my inner waterfall acrylics, and I was able to come up with a beautiful deconstructed bloom. Not something that I do often. There are many variations of blooms, but this is one that I've been wanting to tackle a little bit more, and so I'm super happy to share it with you and more excited that someone is going to get this piece for free. If you didn't know, 6 other artists and myself will be teaching amazing 3-hour courses at the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, Texas. I cannot wait to see you in the building. I have so much planned, I just can't even tell you none of it. My lips are zipped. But outside of that, I hope you enjoy this piece. Please check out the other artists in this collab as we all poured our heart into these pieces, and I just can't wait for you to see it. So let's start painting. All right, my friends, so we are in fact doing a deconstructed bloom. This is Prussian Blue by Master's Touch. It is gorgeous. This is Hammerhead by this little pigment. It is a newer Piggy, and it is very, very pretty. It's a bluish color with a hint of silver undertone. I can't wait to see how those two interact with each other. This is a custom mix, unbleached titanium white. I added a very small touch of burnt sienna, and this is my summer's gold. It is like popping. Okay, this is TLP's Zeus, and then I put in Canadian yellow to brighten it up, and so it is super vibrant. And this is my cell activator. It's a 3-to-1 ratio, 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. I am actually using 2 cell activators today, and we are going to blow this thing out in just a moment. So I also have some really good tips for you in this video, if you're learning or observing or what have you, and they're coming up in just a few moments. But here I'm expanding that cell activator so that I can easily blow it out. Yes, my friends, tip number one is to follow that wave. Okay, when you are blowing out your balloon on a large canvas, you have to go for it. Follow the wave, follow the motion of the paint. Because if you backtrack, you run the risk of pulling up that pillow and messing up the cells that you have. So follow the wave. Once you start, follow it all the way through. All right, my friends, tip number two is don't be afraid to lose some cells. I have adopted a policy when I'm doing a big bloom like this, I cannot be afraid of what I'm going to lose, only what I am going to gain. You will lose some cells in the process when blowing out your cell activator. It is inevitable. But being scared to lose something beautiful is going to prohibit you from distributing the cell activator as evenly as possible. It's already tricky enough, so don't worry about what you've created. You're going to continue to make beautiful things, but you will have to lose some of the cells in order to create more. And you can see here, even though I lost some of the cells from that first blowout, look at the gorgeous movement that I have on the last blowout. I still have some cell activator left, but I tried to distribute as much as I could. Okay, my friends, my last tip for this video is your pillow paint is a blessing and a curse. Use it wisely. So, use your pillow paint to make your bloom. But excessive pillow paint means more that you have to run off. So instead of that, add the paint as you need it. You can see I added some to that corner because I needed to stretch over that way. But adding it while you're painting makes it easier to navigate. And I know that was one of my biggest problems with trying to do the deconstructed bloom. I'd have paint in places that I didn't need it. So that really helps. And we'll see how this one turns out. As always, family, remember, do every single thing with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. I cannot wait to see you in Dallas, Texas. Have an amazing, productive day. Peace.